Umar Madani, the right-hand man of the Lashkar ideologue Hafiz Saeed, has made stunning revelations about Lashkar's strategy to the Delhi police. Madani has said Lashkar is actively seeking to shift its functional base from Pakistan to Nepal in a bid to avoid finger-pointing at Pakistan. Madani has also revealed that the Lashkar would continue to launch attacks on India from Nepal so as to avoid any direct linkages with Pakistan. And for more, let's go across to Nikunj. He's joining us live with this breaking news. Nikunj, this was something security forces had always suspected. Now a stunning revelation being made and confirmed by Madani.
Very true, Rupali. This is something, the top advisors in the government of India and top officials of the internal security establishment like the National Security Advisor himself have been time and again repeating. In fact, I remember in the last DGIG's conference, the apex meeting of the top police leadership of the country in November of last year, 2008, the National Security Advisor has himself said that Nepalese territory continues to be used by groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. Now, that being one thing, this probably is for the first time, as you were mentioning, that a top aide of Lashkar's boss, Hafiz Saeed, someone who was directly in touch with Lashkar's top man, Hafiz Saeed, and people like Zarar Shah and Lakhvi himself, he has also accepted that he met all these top elite commanders in Pak-occupied Kashmir in Muzaffarabad, has admitted to the fact that Lashkar is trying to shift its functional base as far as its anti-India activities are concerned from Pakistan to Nepal. And Madani has also said that he was the single point nodal person to launch various terrorists into India. Now, right from 2005, Rupali, Madani has launched at least more than 24 terrorists into India, some of them involved in the biggest strikes in the country, like the Mumbai serial train blast strike. So, this is a very important revelation, the fact that it confirms something, and following which up, the Delhi police has already returned to the Nepalese authorities via the Ministry of External Affairs to find out more about the Madani's activity in the Nepal, know more about his local linkages. Rupali?